Okay, I've been promising this video for a long time, so here finally it is, the collection of the Raphael cartoons that we have at the Victoria and Albert Museum, which is, by the way, free of charge, and you can find that in London. These are the only 7 surviving existing cartoons. They are full-scale designs for the tapestries that were commissioned by Pope Leo X for the Sistine Chapel. They're actually considered some of the most important treasures of the Renaissance and a turning point in Raphael's career. And on that regards, I just want to explain a little bit as to why they are considered so important. When Raphael was working on this, he was not working in any other commission. They essentially asked for exclusivity, which meant he could really focus and design these amazing pieces of art. By the way, the reason why they are so huge is because these are actually the cartoon designs for what will become the tapestries. So this is not even the final product. The degree of craftsmanship that you have to acquire to create designs for tapestries that will come impeccable on the other hand is just magnificent. And Raphael really here manages to mimic the rest of the Sistine Chapel and transfer that into the loom in what will be a reverse image, which is seriously a huge ordeal. So I hope you enjoy them, and I hope that you have, a good indication of what the labor went into it. And remember that if you want to find out more about Raphael, you have my full lecture on his art and career on Buymeacoffee. In the meantime, I'll see you soon.